With the release of FieldLink version 7.0, layout users can improve efficiency, be more accurate, and communicate as-built reports. Here you can see we actually have a job already set up on pour 3. If I wanted to go check or lay out some pour 2 jobs, you can actually see it'll establish position and bring over those control that were used to set up. It will kind of warn me to actually check a backsite just to make sure we're in the right spot. But I can then switch in here and actually start to lay out those other points from that setup from that first job. And what this allows me to do is either between different pours or areas, if I'm still within good geometry, I can use that. Or more than likely, if I'm laying out
Observation stored.
multiple systems within one floor, this will allow me to switch between those. So if I'm doing like plumbing and mechanical, I will sometimes have those on different jobs or clients will, so that they can differentiate, but then they're able to switch.
Stored.
So again, that is done in the map screen. I can just switch between those jobs and maintain that setup. So here it is back to floor 3. You can see there's my position, and it's again going to warn me to check that backsite. If I go back to pour 2 and then create a daily layout report, you can see those new control points being used. Obviously not a great setup, but then tell me which points have been laid out and which setup they were on. Once the report has been saved, users can either use Connect Sync or save the data back through Connect with the More Projects Managed, Save As, and Save to Connect. And what that will do is save the layout reports and points back to Connect. So here is what that would look like back in the office. We have our FieldLink project set up, points, reports. If I were to look at the points, here's where that would look like. And then the report we can actually access by just going in there, daily layout summary, and then select the correct job for that date. And we can see that report is now saved back there. This will happen with other reports as well too. With 3D model transformations, we can select a 3D or even a 2D drawing like you see here to rotate and fit another model, thus allowing prefabrication managers to align the model as it is actually in the shop. So we simply need to go in and select 3 points to match and scale. So after those 3 points have been selected, you can see the 2D drawing in this case matches the 3D model as it is actually in the shop floor. And we can either lay it out or scan it, just adding context to what is there. Please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions or if you have any future requests. Thank you.